Hello everybody, we're going to do a quick tutorial to put together the boxes for the alphabet. It's the one-piece design. You will need your cutout for your box, your 5 square pieces, whether it's cardstock or vellum. In this case I'm using colored cardstock to do something different. I'm still using the art glitter. You can buy this on Amazon. And let's go ahead and get started. So basically you're going to run a bead of glue around each panel and then glue the cardstock or vellum to it. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. I suggest putting glue dots throughout the design, and especially any swirls or outlining pieces on the lettering to make sure that it's fully attached. This glue is white, but it does clear or dry clear. If you use the glue sparingly, it will dry fairly quickly, but at the same time give you time to move the panel around if need be. I start at the side or at the bottom, pull it up, and then place it and cover. Okay. Key thing is make sure that everything is covered. If you use vellum, you can use the tea light candles to use them as a light box. One final panel. And I usually start at the opposite end. Look at the pretty color. You can choose any color, of course. This is going to be J. And you're going to fold in your tabs. Keep in mind that your score lines are facing up. That is about as simple as that gets. Okay, so I'm going to start with this corner here. Oops. Getting carried away with the glue here. Key thing is to line up the top corner and then press down on the rest of it. And you can just simply run your finger along the edge and start on the other way that glues. Same thing, make sure it's aligned at the top, press in. And I usually flip it on its side to give something to support it and press down. Line the top corner, press down. Flip it on the side to make sure you have something solid. And last piece. Love the purple and white look, really pretty. And there you have it. Top piece is going to be tight, So just go ahead and be patient with it. There you go. Really pretty. Have a good one, guys.